What's up, YouTube friends? Today is the update for how Project Pan is going. Yeah, I think we're going to be changing a few things up. We've used up a couple products, so without further ado, let's get into it. So, to start, I forgot a couple products in my last update. Yeah, I know, big shocker to all of us, hey? So the first one is the Burberry Brit perfume. I also have this in my Project Perfume update. This is gone. I'm happy about that. It's a nice scent. I don't mind it. It's not my scent per se, and it doesn't last long on my skin, and that could be the fact that this is like 10 years old at this point. So thanks, Burberry Brit. It's been fun, but I probably wouldn't purchase you again. The new scent, because I have reformulated it, is for the most part the same. Like, you can see or you can smell the similarities between them. It's just not the same. The second one that I wouldn't repurchase is Comptoir Sud Pacific Vanilla Cocoa. I love the Comptoir Sud Pacific line. I pretty much love everything from it, and I did love this one, and it wasn't until John ruined it for me when he came home and I was like, smell this, what do you think of this? Give me your thoughts. And he goes, you smell like cilantro. It's vanilla coconut. How the hell do I smell like cilantro? So I'm someone who loves cilantro, but when I want to smell like vanilla coconut, I don't want to smell like cilantro. So sorry, Sud Pacific. I guess that one's a no for me, but I do have a bunch of other scents by them that I'm really enjoying, and he has yet to ruin those for me, so we'll just see how those go. Those are the products that I've used up. There is a product that I am taking out of this Project Pan, and that is the Becca, pretty sure this is called Mermaid Pearl. This is that middle shade from the Ocean Jewels collection. It's just very subtle. It's more kind of like a holographic shimmer. It's actually what I wear as my highlight, and I don't know, I love that shade, so I don't want to focus on getting rid of it. I want to kind of just use it at my leisure and enjoy it while I have it. So I'm going to take that one out for now. As for the other shades, we've made no progress on, well, we've made progress, but not progress that you can visibly see on the Max Emphasize powder. And as for these shades down here, I have made progress on these two. These are two by Looxi Beauty. As you can see, some of it's sitting in the corner because I love Looxi Beauty shadows. These are part of the Aurora range, and yes, that's the reason I bought them, was because of the name of the range that they're from. But these shadows are beautiful. They're all kind of like duochromes. They shift colors. They're just so beautiful, but they crumble so bad that I feel like I've wasted more product than I'm using. So unfortunately, I don't think I would rebuy these, but I'm sure as hell going to enjoy them while I have them, even though I'm like losing pieces like with every use. But I've made progress on these ones. I think I've touched this one once, so we've made slight bit of progress that you're not going to notice. And then we also have Crystal Avalanche right here by MAC. You're also not going to notice that one. I'm pretty sure we're probably not going to get anywhere with that one, but we're going to try. Mainly just because I do use that one as an inner corner highlight, and that is really it. So it's probably going to be around for a hot minute. So yeah, that's my update on those ones. And the last product I think I have in this series, clearly I didn't get that right last time, but this is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Honestly, I like this as kind of like a refreshing mist. So when you're doing your makeup like first thing in the morning, like get up at 7 and you're like, oh, I gotta put my crap on. It's a nice kind of wake me up sort of refreshing mist. As for a primer, I don't notice any difference between using this and not using this. So I like this as my morning pick-me-up, but I don't really find that it actually does anything for me. So yeah, I'll continue using it. Who knows, maybe I'll see some differences as I like continually use it, maybe try different foundations with it. But so far, I don't know. So far I'm just kind of on the fence about this product. It's nice to have a mist to spray or spritz on your face every morning before you do your makeup, but I'm pretty sure I can also just do that with my toner. So hopefully something ends up wowing me about this, because I've heard so many good things about it. So maybe I have to look into it a little bit more and see what I'm missing. So we took one product out, and now to add in some new products. So the first one, oh, sorry. We were here last time on this one, and we are now here. So we've made some decent progress on that one. Sorry, I forgot about that. And then the last product that I have is by Tarte. This is the Glisten Lip Surgence Natural Lip Luster. I'm pretty sure they don't make these anymore. And I'm measuring the progress on the lip, or the lid here. So we have where we started, which is here. And all I did was just kind of roll up the product and then measure on here. I'm scared I'm gonna break it off. So that's how I measured my product, but we don't really have much to go. I really do enjoy this shade. I'm gonna be sad when this goes, but it's also kind of rearing its time of not being expired. So I want to use that up while it's still good because I do enjoy it. Next is a product that Charisse actually sent me, and this is the Bow Beauty liquid eyeliner. I have no idea what shade this is in. I don't use this as eyeliner. I've actually even ripped out the stopper there because I love taking, I don't know how to say this in a non-gross way, but I like taking a glop of this and smearing it all over my face. I don't know, I love this as a highlighter. It's awesome. So last for makeup, I do have the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Only reason this is in here is because I'm really bad at using mascaras up. They always tend to go bad on me or they dry out. So I really enjoy this mascara. This is not good if you live in a humid climate because I found out that the hard way. We went somewhere humid and this did not set, so I had like tears of mascara on my face. But here where shit's really dry, this looks awesome. I love it. It's beautiful. It lengthens my lashes. It holds my natural curl, and I think this is actually my favorite mascara at the moment. So I want to make sure that I get all my uses out of this because I enjoy it and I want to enjoy all of it. So lastly, this is a weird product to throw in here, but I've had this for a while and it's time to use it up. This is the All Natural Activated Charcoal Spearmint Flavor Tooth and Gum Powder Organics Content. Mouthful for just charcoal toothpaste. I'm not sure how I feel about this stuff. Yeah, I'll let you know because I don't know. And last but not least is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, also known as the Bum Bum Cream. We've got almost a full tub of this left. Yeah, it smells exactly like put me on a beach. Yeah, that's what it smells. It reminds me of just like vacations. It's supposed to smell like caramel pistachio, but it literally just smells like vacation in my mind. I hear so many good things about this. Helps tighten and smooth like no other fast absorbing body cream. So I will let you know what I think. I've used it a couple of times and so far I'm not blown away, but in order to smooth and tighten, I'm assuming you need to use it more than a couple of times. So I will let you know by the time I finish this what I really think of it. So thanks for checking in. I will see you guys next time, and until then, cheers and see you later.